Hello everybody, we got a new dog that we just got from the guy. So he's a little bit shy to let the audience see. So
you want us?
So
Here
he is. See that his name is, what's his name? Hannibal.
Hannibal.
What? So
His Hannibal. Yeah. And so his name's Hannibal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I chose their name.
Yeah, I chose it. And you see that? You see that?
He's a newborn.
Yeah,
he's barely even a month yet.
Yeah, he's very big.
We have him now because his mother refused to keep feeding him for some reason. So we got the dog and we fed him for him. As you can see, we gave him his own little pillow. We'll advance that later. We'll buy him a dog bed later. But for now, watermelon. I'm just kidding. Okay, so you like that dog, Stevie? Yeah.
I didn't. So.
You want to do the outro?
Yeah. So okay. The outro, we got his pillow because.
So we just kind of wanted to show you our dog, and we'll be posting new videos of him later. And yeah, goodbye.